Hello friends, welcome to Tableau tutorial part 2. In this video we will see that how to connect your data set with the Tableau and how to apply joins with the different data set. Okay, then finally we will see that Tableau first interface after data connection, and then we'll analyze the data with the field, data type and all terms of that. Okay, so let me start. So let me open my Tableau first. So I just clicking on this. So I'm just opening Tableau desktop, and now it's open. So first of all, let me connect our data with the Tableau. So you can see there is a multiple option to connect that. So first option is the Microsoft Excel. Like if you are having Microsoft file like Excel data file, then you can go through with this. Okay, and if you are having text file like CVS file or any another text file, then you can go with text file. Okay, now, and if you have JSON file, then you can go with JSON, and if you are Microsoft Access file, you can click on Microsoft Access. If you are like going to work with a PDF file, you can choose PDF file here. Okay, and spiral file and statistical file as well. So there is multiple option to like choose your data. So I'm having the text file, so I'm clicking on text file. Okay, so now I'm having this like text file all data set. So this is the COVID-19 data set. So I'm clicking one of them and clicking on open. Once you click on open, your all like data set will be come here. Okay, once you will come on this interface, this is like a first interface after the connecting your data with the Tableau. Okay, so this is the first table which is visible on this area, and in the below you can find the like here is your all fields name and fields data type, and this is the table showing. So you can like extract here, and you can visualize everything here. Your all table is and all columns, everything will be visible here. Okay, so it is showing like 100 rows you want, then you can increase by like entering number. Okay, so how many rows you want, you can enter here. And this side it is showing all table which is your in data set. Okay, so this is the way to connect your data, and like this is the only one table is showing here. So if you want to connect multiple table with this, then you can apply the join. So how you will apply the join, let me open first. Once you click on open, let me drag down. Okay, so this is the area to join your table. Okay, so this is the first like a table country wise latest. Then I just wanted to connect with this one. Okay, so I'm just double click and hold on this, then I'm dragging and dropping here. Once you drop here, like automatically Tableau will like perform the like inner join on based on some column. Let me check that by which column it is applied the joining. So click on in between like in intersection area. Once you click, there is a like a column. It is Tableau automatically applied joining based on active. Okay, active cases. Both table define the active cases and applied. So if like it is not unique, you can apply by your own. So I'm just thinking that there is a country name, so which is unique in this table like country wise latest, and in this table I'm just wanted to check that which is the like country, again country, both in the both column country is the column there, and both are unique. So I'm just performing join on the base of country. Okay, so if you want to perform inner join, then you can apply for this, and if you want to left join, then left, click on left join. Okay, so now my table is two table is connected with the left join. Okay, and you can check that data. You can check your all like left data and right table like intersection data is visible here. Okay, so this is the way to perform joining between two table. Okay, now let me see this one. So this side, this is like this showing the field, all columns name is visible here. How many columns are there, everything is visible here. And this is showing the data type, what kind of data that column is containing. So country is containing like geographical data, that's why it is showing like globe. Okay, and confirm means like the confirm column containing the numerical data, that's why it is showing the hash. So where you are seeing hash, it means that column is containing numerical data. Let me go down, and here you can find the ABC like WHO region. So WHO region is data type is ABC. It means it is textual format column cell containing. means in this like WHO region it is containing text format. Okay, and province and state is its geographical data, and date column is containing like the data type is calendar, is showing the calendar icon, so it means it is the date format. Okay, so now you can see that its countries like Afghanistan, Albania, so many is this like it's a country name, so that's why it is showing the like a globe here. Okay, and in confirmed you can see this is the numerical data, that's why it's showing the number. Okay, so by this way you can analyze this one. Okay, now come to this part. In this area, how can you can like see that data, how can analyze this? So let me tell you that how you will analyze. So like this is showing that this your column is your geographical data, and if you click on this then you will find multiple option here. Okay, so we will see that how it is working. It means rename means you want to like rename your column name. So let me rename. So if I wanted to remove region here, from here I wanted only country, so it's renamed. Okay, you can see now. And if you want to reset name, you can click on reset, you will find the reset that there. And if you want to copy the value, click on copy, your values are copied from here. If you want to paste somewhere, you can paste. Okay, now come to the hide. If you click on hide, your like this column will be hide. Let me try. You can see your column is hide from here. I'm just doing undo, so it's come back. Okay, now click again, it's aliases. Aliases means you want to make different name of same, like there is a here is mentioned Afghanistan, and if you want to mention like some another thing like I wanted AFG only. Okay, so where in the table in this column where is mentioned Afghanistan, that value will be like represented by AFG, but it is not actually mentioning in your Excel like a CVS file data, it is mentioning in your Tableau data to understand. Okay, so I'm just clicking OK. You can find here, yeah, AFG means Afghanistan. This is the aliasing. Aliasing means is something like it's a nickname. So I don't want to that, so let me remove from there. If you want to remove alias, you can find the star here on which aliasing applying. If you apply aliasing in some or like a column or some cell value, then here is the star will come. So let me clear the alias. Okay, now you find alias Afghanistan here. Okay, so let me click OK. Now come to another thing, which is a calculated create calculated field. Okay, so this thing will we see in next video when we will design chart and dashboard. Okay, because this is the part of calculation. And come to another point, which is this create group. Okay, so in the group means like if you want to make a group like Afghanistan, press control and select how many you want. Okay, Afghanistan and Albania and Algeria. So I just wanted to make group of this, so select on that thing whatever you want to make a group and click on group. So once you click on group, this will be visible in a like a single cell. I'm just clicking apply. So once you apply, click OK. So you can see scroll like left side and you will find there. So in that column where is mentioned Afghanistan or Albania and Algeria, that column will mention this thing whatever you make the group. Okay, so you can see here, here's the Afghanistan, then definitely like your group member will be visible here. Okay, so this kind of group you can make. And let me delete that one because I don't want to group this time. Then you can click here and delete from here. Okay, so it's deleted. Now let me try few another thing. What is another option is create group split. Split means that like if you want to make a you can see here is the two things mentioned is the Antigua and the Barbuda. Okay, Barbuda. So if you want to make it separate, you can apply split on this. So once I applied a split, I think I clicked on a split. So once you click on split, you can go right side, you can find here, you can see Antigua is like separated from here, and I clicked on two times, that's why the two split is performed. So let me delete this one. I don't want, so I just wanted to delete it. So now it's deleted. Okay, so this split perform, you can see this is Antigua is a perform make is like a separate column. Okay, now let me go another thing, which is split. Custom split means like if you want to make a separate with like a dash or something, like if here is a mention is and if someone is mentioned many terms in and separated by the comma or dash or something, then we will go with the custom split. So you can mention like comma, inverted comma, or like a slash or dash, whatever you want you can apply, and the based on by which the like a column is mentioned. Like if it's a column separated by the dash, you can apply here dash, and if it's mentioned by like a backslash, then you can the backslash, and then you can apply separate. Okay, okay, now come to describe. So once you click on the describe, you will find all information about this column, and here you can see the like 20 of 187 member. Like in 187 member, this is the unique value. This is in this row, this value is repeated, like so total value is at 20, and this is 20 is a unique value, so you can check from here. Okay, so I think it's covered all terms from what happened. Let me cross it. Okay, so all terms is covered. So in everywhere you can check this. And one more thing, here is one more like this icon. By this icon you can shortlist your table. You can see like below number is the top, and like increasing order in this way. And once click again, like highest number in the top, then it is come your shortlisted your table in the decreasing order. So this is the way to like analyze this data, and then we can start like your designing the sheet. So in the next video we will see how to design the sheet. So we will click on here, go to like worksheet. Once you click on the worksheet, you will land on this screen. Okay, so we will see in the next video. So by this I just want to say that thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video.